Good morning. This is K. Satyakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. I am going to take a paper called Environmental Science and Engineering. In that, I am going to take a class on marine ecosystem. So, what is meant by a marine ecosystem? It is a type of aquatic ecosystem. Marine ecosystems are among the Earth's aquatic ecosystems. They include oceans, estuaries and lagoons, mangroves and coral reefs, the deep sea and the sea floor. These are the gigantic reservoirs of water covering approximately 71% of the Earth's surface, an area of 361 million square kilometers. These ecosystems are different from freshwater ecosystem mainly because of its salty water taste. So the salt concentration in an open sea is usually 3.5% and it can be converted into 35 parts per thousand. So the dominant ions are sodium and the chloride. So the average temperature of marine ecosystem is 2 to 3 degrees centigrade devoid of light. And what are the biotic components and abiotic components present in the marine ecosystem means? So as we know that producers, the biotic components means producers, consumer and decomposers. The producers in the marine ecosystem, it includes phytoplanktons like diatoms, dinoflagellates, large seaweeds, mainly algae like chlorophyca, Paiophyca, Rhodophyca, angiosperms like Rupia, Zostra, Posidonia, those kind of large seaweeds, and mangrove vegetation like Rhizophora, Carapa, etc. While in the case of consumers, it can be subdivided into three consumers: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary consumers includes the herbivores and feed directly on producers like crustaceans, mollusks, fish, etc. While in the case of secondary consumer, these are carnivores, fishes like herring, shad, and mackerel. In the case of tertiary consumer, these are the top carnivores, fishes like cod, haddock, etc. Obviously, the decomposers are the microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. So the abiotic components are more in the marine ecosystem. So the concentration of sodium, calcium, magnesium and potassium salt is very high in the marine ecosystem. So that is variable dissolved oxygen content, light and temperature make a unique physiochemical conditions in marine water. So this is an image of marine ecosystem where you can see the phytoplankton species. Okay, the various phytoplankton species, cockles, seaweeds, bivalve, mollusk, those things you can see as a producers in marine ecosystem. In the case of consumers, so the sea stars, zooplanktons, crabs, those things you can see that as primary consumers. Some little fishes you can say for the secondary consumer, and some dolphins, red cod. So those fishes can be a tertiary consumer in marine ecosystem, and also you can see some bacteria also present in this ecosystem. So that might be decomposers of the marine ecosystem. So that's all for the marine ecosystem. Okay, thank you.